The Windows Security Center service is a built-in function that monitors the status of important security settings and alerts you when these settings are turned off or have changed. If this service isn't starting properly, you can try these steps to resolve the issue. 1. Start the service manually. Press WinR to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to find Security Center Service. Right-click on it, and if it's stopped, click Start. If it's already running, click Restart. Check if the service starts correctly. 2. Scan your system for malware. Sometimes, malware or viruses can disable certain services. Use a trusted antivirus or anti-malware program to scan your system. If any threats are detected, follow the antivirus software's instructions to remove them. 3. Use System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Right-click the Start button. Command Prompt, Admin, type sfc/scan now and hit Enter. This will scan your system for corrupted files and attempt to repair them. 4. Use the DISM tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and hit Enter. This will check the system for corruption and repair the Windows image. 5. Check for Windows updates. Press WinI to open Settings. Go to Update Security Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. 6. Perform a system restore or reset. If none of the above methods work, you may need to consider a system restore or a complete reset of your computer. This should be a last resort, as it can result in the loss of data or installed programs. Remember, it's always a good idea to back up your data regularly, especially before performing any major system changes. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, it's advisable to seek help from a professional.